be done for this week. But so far from the content of last week, were there any other issues apart from the concerns that about the grading that you just highlighted? Were there any other areas of difficulties, concern, or any question whatsoever?
Not at the moment, no. Nothing came up or jumped out at me. Thank you.
Okay. So let's look at the contents for this week. I'm going to go to Brightspace. I think for this week we are doing defibrillators.
Yes.
Okay. So for defib, we only have we have the theory, but there's also the practical component. So when you do the theory, you go to the practical folder. You will see there are quite a number of videos down there on defibrillator. Let's see, that's unit 11. Yeah, so you can see there's quite a few, right? On the practical side. There is no assignments. There's no quiz. And then for Tuesday is the ventilator.
Yes.
And for ventilator, we have the videos there on the theory side, plus the PowerPoint. And there's also practical on ventilator. So if we go to ventilator, let's see. So ventilator, we have something. There's quite a few videos there as well, as you can see. Okay. And then on Wednesday is infant incubator and radiant warmer. Okay, Vili has just sent a message. She's busy with hospital breakdown now. Wouldn't be able to make it. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we can proceed. We have it recorded. So for Wednesday is the infant incubator and radiant warmer. Let's see what we have there. So we have the theory for that, which is no, I think it's the infusion pump, infusion and syringe pump. So we have the video on the theory side. Then on the practical side, do we have a practical on that? Yes, we do have something. Infusion device tested. Yes, so we do have something on the practical side as well. That's for Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we will do electrosurgery and diatomy equipment. So with electrosurgery and diatomy equipment, let's go here on the theory side, ESU. So we have three things. First, the theory. So there's a video there for the theory. Then we also have, okay, there's no practical here, but we converted the practical into an assignment. So you will not find the practical video here on electrosurgery and diatomy equipment. And this is how we have decided to do the practical. You know, sometimes as a technician, you are looking for an analyzer, you don't have it in your workshop, you want to test an equipment, you don't know how, and so you need to search on the internet. Do we have an analyzer for this equipment on the internet? How do we use it? So this exercise introduces you to the idea of learning to search on your own for any device you don't have in the workshop. And we're using this electrical ESU, electrical ESU, electrosurgical analyzer, analyzer as a test case. So we have not provided a practical here, but it is available on the internet, and there are various sites where you can search and find it. So we want you to do a search on websites, on YouTube, on websites for Fluke or Rigel, and find videos that describe how to test electrosurgical unit. Now, once you find a suitable, yeah?
That's the one that I work with quite frequently, so I'm happy about that module.
Great. So once you find a suitable video that describes how to test an electrosurgical unit, You will then copy the address of that website or YouTube video. You just copy, and then that will then be the assignment. You come to um, the assignment 14, activity 14.1, where it says posting on Padlet. So it gives you the instructions here, and there's a place you click that takes you to Padlet, which is a different platform. So here, you are going to post that link. So your assignment is number 1. You go to Padlet, and we have left a few of the videos posted by previous participants of this course to give you an idea. So to post here on Padlet on this screen, you will go to the bottom right-hand side where you have that red circle with a white plus sign inside. You click on it, and then it will open a window like this where you will type first where it says subject. That's where you type your name. So the subject will be your name. And then at the bottom where it says write something fantastic, that is where you then paste that website that you copied. So that website address you copied, you paste it here, and then you will click on publish. Once it has finished pasting, well, I just copied something at random, right? It's not the correct website, so I'm not going to paste this one now. But once you've done that, you can see there's a publish button on the top right-hand side of that window. And then you just click publish. And then whatever you have copied will then be published. I'm going to delete this. Once you have published it, it's going to appear like what you have here. So you see there are various published videos that we have on the screen. And once you have published yours with your name at the top on the subject line, the next thing you need to do is to explore some of the available videos that others have posted. Some of them are quite good, that describe the steps of connecting your ESU to the ESU analyzer and then doing the test and recording the values. So once you have watched some of them, you can then comment on any of the ones you have watched, such as you see in the examples on the screen. So if you click on the comment section at the bottom of each of those videos, you can just make a brief comment. That way we know that 1, you have posted your own video. Number 2, you have watched some of the videos that others have posted to gain more information, because you might not have seen some of these videos. So the one you posted plus the one others have posted, you watch, and you just brief comments on whichever ones you watch. 1 or 2 comments on 1 or 2 videos is fine. That's the completion of this particular assignment. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Search for a suitable video in any website or YouTube that talks about electrosurgical analyzer and how to use it to test the electrosurgical unit. Copy the link, come here, paste it, put your name on the subject line, paste the URL at the bottom, and then you click publish. Once it's published, then watch 1 or 2 or 3 videos, and then just give a brief comment on at the bottom of each of those videos that you watch. Assignment complete. So this is the practical combined with the assignment for ESU. That's for Thursday. Now Friday is free for self-study, okay, as usual. So that's all we need to do for this week. And I will find time again to start grading some of those assignments whose due dates have passed, so that you can get your updated marks as we go along. And as usual, if there's any question or comments regarding anything, any concerns, you can always reach me the usual way on WhatsApp, and I'll do my best to respond as soon as I can.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
That's it for this week, for today and for the week. Enjoy the rest of the week. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Sure.